guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. আজি আৰু এটা নতুন ভিডিও লৈ মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত আহিছো। আজি ভিডিওটোত মই কেইটামান ফটো আইডিয়া শেয়াৰ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো, especially for those girls who doesn't like to click pictures of themselves. Even I have a sister who doesn't like to click pictures of her, not even a selfie. So she rarely has one or two pictures of her. So that's why I came up with this idea and I hope you will love it. So let's move on to the video. Video to say kenuka pala janaba napaaharibo, and also like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to get any notification. Bye.